Namaskar. I am Surendra Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. Today, in this presentation, I will discuss about weather review, past 1 week, and outlook for weather for next 2 weeks. Today, that is 2nd December 2021. For major event was northeast monsoon was active. Due to this, heavy to very heavy rainfall was experienced over Tamil Nadu with extremely heavy rainfall at isolated on 26th November was happened over the Tamil Nadu. And the major event will likely to happen one cyclone likely to form over Bay of Bengal during next 24 hours, which is likely to affect our east coast of country. Now let's start presentation. In this slide, I am talking about synoptic system during past 1 week. Here, here we can see one cyclone circulation lay over Comorin area around 3 days over the same region. It gives heavy to very heavy with isolated extremely heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu. And this circulation was moved west northwestward and emerged over southeast Arabian Sea and moved north northwestward, and today it lies over northeast Arabian Sea of Maharashtra Gujarat coast, and the one trough from southeast Arabian Sea towards Maharashtra Gujarat coast was also persist past 3-4 days, which gives good rainfall amount over the west coast, especially past 24 hours, as Gujarat and Maharashtra experience heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places. And for WD is affected for western Himalayan region and northwest India from yesterday, and it is likely to affect during next 24 hours. And one more fresh WD is affected western Himalayan region on 4th December night, which is likely to affect it northwest India also from 4th December, and it will continue subsequent 48 hours, means till 6th December. Now I am talking about the major system. A low pressure emerged from South China Sea to the South Andaman Sea on 30th November, and it is moved west northwestward past 48 hours and become depression today evening over the southeast Bay of Bengal, and it is likely to move northwestward near North Andhra Pradesh, South Odisha coast on 4th morning, and it will move then northeastward across West Bengal, Bangladesh, and our northeast state, which is it is gives good rainfall over these states, especially coastal Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, and Assam, Meghalaya, and Tripura during the week. This I already told. Now this is the in this slide we are seeing cloud pattern of the inside 3D. Here we can clearly the southern peninsula cloud pattern shows rainfall activity was continue entire week, and the right hand says the observed rainfall past 1 week. Here you can see that blue and yellow color shows good rainfall amount was over the southern peninsula India. Now here we can see in this table on 25th November heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places was occur over Tamil Nadu. On 26th it was heavy to very heavy with isolated extremely heavy fall and Kerala and Andaman also experience heavy rainfall on 26th. 27th, Tamil Nadu, as I already told, experience heavy to very heavy rainfall entire week. On 28th, coastal Andhra Pradesh have received heavy rainfall. Kerala on 29th, heavy to very heavy. Coastal Andhra Pradesh also heavy to very heavy. And Rayalaseema, heavy rainfall. On 30th, Coastal Andhra Pradesh, heavy rainfall. Rayalaseema, South Indian Karnataka, heavy rainfall. On 1st December, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, heavy rainfall. On 2nd December, Gujarat, Konkan, Goa, Madhya Maharashtra was experienced heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places, and Kerala and Andaman Nicobar was experienced heavy rainfall. Here, some chief amount also written as 26. Tamil Nadu was experienced maximum 31 centimeter rainfall in 24 hours, and many other rainfall activity is there. And especially over Gujarat region, unlikely in this season. Surat has experienced 15 centimeter, Daman 11 centimeter, Valsad 10 centimeter, Konkan, Sindhurgarh 15 centimeter, Palghat 11 centimeter, and Madhya Maharashtra, Satara 13 centimeter, Pune 10 centimeter rainfall recorded. Now, in this slide, I am talking about the rainfall departure. The left hand figure shows the last 1 week departure. Here, blue color shows excess rainfall was experienced over southern peninsula India with west coast of the India. Here we can see there's this table, left hand side table. Country as a whole, departure was 68% plus percent, and except southern peninsula, entire India was experiencing negative departure from the long period average. Here the southern peninsular India was experienced plus 247% departure, and the now we are talking about the seasonal rainfall. Overall country is positive 48% departure. Actual rainfall 158 millimeter, or normal rainfall 107 millimeter. Here we can see entire country except northeast and some East Madhya Pradesh and Rayalaseema shows deficit rainfall. Otherwise, entire country has received good rainfall amount during the season from 1st October to 1st December 2021. Now, in this slide, I am talking about the today's weather weather synoptic features. I earlier told that well-marked low pressure area has become depression over southeast Bay Bengal today evening, and one trough in lower level runs from southeast Arabian Sea to the cyclonic circulation of South Gujarat, North Konkan coast. And 1 WD as a cyclonic circulation lies over North Pakistan neighborhood, which is continuously effective our Indian region. Now I am talking about the weather warning in graphical form, especially over west coast. Maharashtra and Gujarat is likely to experience heavy rainfall during next 24 hours, and with thunderstorm activity also there during next 24 hours. Thereafter, no rainfall activity over these regions, and over southern peninsula, especially Tamil Nadu, from 4th and subsequent 3 days have good rainfall amount, with isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely to happen over the Tamil Nadu on 4th, 5th and 6th, and Kerala is also experiencing heavy to heavy rainfall at isolated places over 5th and 6th. And due to the formation of likely formation of cyclone over Bay of Bengal, good rainfall activity is likely to continue over east coast, especially over coastal Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal during 3-4 days from tomorrow onward. As on 3rd, heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places likely over North CAP and South or coastal Odisha. And on 4th, heavy to very heavy at isolated places with isolated extremely heavy rainfall is likely over North CAP and Odisha on 4th, and heavy to very heavy rainfall over West Bengal on 4th December. Later on, due to the movement of cyclonic storm, heavy to very heavy rainfall likely over West Bengal and North Odisha on 5th, and heavy rainfall likely over Assam, Meghalaya and Tripura on 6th, Assam, Meghalaya and Tripura. Now, due to the formation of cyclone, the fisherman warning is very important. So, easterly wind speed reaching 50 to 60, gusting to 70 kmph over southeast Bay of Bengal during next 12 hours. Later on, gale wind speed 65 to 75, gusting 85, likely to prevail over central Bay of Bengal from the morning of tomorrow, that is 3rd, and gradually increase, become 90 to 100 kmph, gusting to 100 kmph, 110 kmph over northwest and join west central Bay of Bengal from the morning of 4th December for the subsequent 24 hours. And easterly wind speed reaching 45 to 55 kmph, gusting to 65 kmph, likely to commence along and off North Andhra Pradesh and Odisha coast from the midnight of 3rd December and increase gradually become 70 to 80 kmph, gusting to 19 kmph from 4th morning for the subsequent 12 hours. Easterly wind speed 45 to 55 kmph, gusting to 65 kmph, also likely to commence along and off West Bengal coast from 4th morning and become gale wind speed reaching 60 to 70 kmph, gusting to 80 kmph from the evening of 4th for the subsequent 12 hours. So, fishermen are advised not to venture in this area, particular dates, and if someone in deep sea, we are requested to come back the coast as soon as possible. Now, this is the extended range for cyclogenesis. Here in left hand side, we can see high probability of formation of cyclone. As I already told, cyclone is likely to form during next 24 hours. And for the week 2, a fresh low pressure area is likely to emerge into Andaman Sea during later part of week 2. It is likely to move westward towards South Tamil Nadu coast with no significant intensification. Now the forecast for rainfall week 1. Here in the first picture we can see the green patches shows rainfall amount likely to happen. Here southern peninsula, most parts of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, interior Karnataka, Maharashtra is likely to experience good rainfall, and due to the cyclone, CAP, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Tripura or Assam is likely to experience good rainfall amount. But in week 2, compare week 1, no significant rain likely to happen except coastal parts of Tamil Nadu and South CAP. Here we can see no rainfall activity likely to happen in week 2 over the entire country. And this is the anomaly, especially that deep color shows good rainfall. As earlier told, due to the cyclone, this is likely to happen good rainfall activity. And the west coast, due to that, today during next 24 hours, good rainfall activity will likely to happen. So this is also shows some light blue colors. And the other than no rainfall activity shows. And week 2, due to the no WD effect, no WD likely to affect northern Himalayan region. So yellow color shows deficit of rainfall these region. Now the forecast light to moderate rainfall at many to most places with heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over south coastal Odisha and North CAP on 3rd, and isolated extremely heavy rainfall over south Odisha and North CAP, and isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall over South Coastal Pradesh, North and Interior district of Odisha and Gangati, West Bengal on 4th December. Isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall over West Bengal and Odisha, and isolated heavy rainfall over Assam, Meghalaya and Tripura on 5th, and isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall over Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Tripura on 6th December due to that cyclone. And light to moderate scattered to fairly widespread rainfall, snowfall likely over western Himalayan region, and isolated to scattered rainfall over northwest India till 6th December due to the continuously 2 WD likely to approach over this region, and isolated thunderstorm lightning also likely over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi on 6th December. Scattered to fairly widespread light to moderate rain, thunder shower likely over North Madhya Maharashtra with isolated heavy rainfall over South Gujarat region and Konkan Goa today, that is 2nd December, and dry weather over the region thereafter. No rainfall activity likely to happen over this region. And light to moderate scattered to fairly widespread rain is very likely over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal, Kerala, Mahe, Karnataka, Lakshadweep and Andaman during the most days of the week. Isolated heavy rain also likely over Tamil Nadu and Kerala on 5th and 6th December. No significant weather is likely to over any parts of the country. Overall, rainfall activity is likely to be above normal over East and Northeast India, over most parts of Southern Peninsula and adjoining Central India. Below normal over Northwest India, including Western Himalayan region, and near normal or no rainfall over the rest part of the country during the week. Now, as winter is coming, minimum temperature forecast for week 1, fall in minimum temperature by 2 to 3 degree, very likely over northwest India during next 2 days, and then rise gradually by 2 to 4 degree thereafter. Fall in minimum temperature by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade, likely over many parts of central India during first half of the week, and no significant change thereafter. No significant change in the minimum temperature over rest part of the country during the week. Overall, these are likely to be above normal by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade over northeast and adjoining East India, Uttar Pradesh and East Madhya Pradesh, and likely to be near normal or slightly below normal over most parts of the rest India. And no significant cold wave is likely over any parts of the country during the week. Now, I am discussing about the rainfall week 2. There is lightly significant reduction in rainfall over the country as compared to week 1. We already see in the graphical form, no active disturbance is likely to affect northwest India during second week. Rainfall activity is likely to be below normal over the country except northeast state where it is likely to be normal. And minimum temperature, there is likely to gradual fall in minimum temperature over the most part of the country as compared to week 1. There is likely to be slight below normal by 1 to 2 degrees centigrade or near normal over the country except northeast state where these are likely to be above normal by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade. And no significant cold wave is likely to over any part of the country during the second week also. Here I can say clearly no cold wave is likely to happen during next 2 weeks over the country. And you can follow for latest update our website imd.gov.in as well as many social media platform as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, blogs, and including this for latest update and warning for mobile you can use our app as Mosam app, Damini app and Megdut app. Thank you very much for listening me. Thanks to all. Namaskar.